Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. Today we are going to start chapter number 3, Enhancing a Presentation. Okay, the name of the chapter is Enhancing a Presentation. Okay, the previous two chapters I hope you all have done in the notebook. Okay, because we had completed the question answers exercise and each and every topic of the respective chapter. So the chapter name is Enhancing our Presentation. So at first we should be clear about the name of the chapter. Okay, enhancing. Enhancing means to increase. Okay, how can we enhance the brightness? Okay, how can we enhance the sound effect? Okay, enhances means to increase. A presentation. Presentation, we all know what is presentation. A presentation is a collection of slides. Presentation. Presentation is a collection of slides. Okay, I am writing also collection of slides. Whenever we are making a presentation, so we should use an application program for it. It is known as MS PowerPoint. Okay, it is known as MS PowerPoint. In the full form, it is known as Microsoft Office PowerPoint. It is a part of MS Office. Okay. Now, whenever we are using or whenever we are creating a presentation, so we are going to create a slide. Okay. Like in the notebook, I am going to give you a project that you have to prepare a presentation, or you can say an activity regarding Earth. Okay, save Earth. So what you are doing, you are using pages. What you are using there? You are using their pages. And pages you binds and submits to us. Here what happens in the presentation? The pages, digital pages. They are known as digital pages. Why digital pages? Because they are on the computer. They are not practically in your hands. Okay. So digital pages are here known as slide. Okay. And as we know, activity is a collection of pages. So in the same way here, a presentation is a collection of slides. We all collect all the slides and we present it with the help of slideshow. How we present it? We present it with the help of option, and that is known as slideshow. What slideshow do? Slideshow runs the slides. If I have prepared 5 slides, so it will run. Run means it will show to us one by one. The order we can change. One by one it want to show us. Only one it want to show us. Okay. So this order we can change. But how can we present? Our presentation is done by the slideshow. Okay. A slide is a digital page. Okay. And slideshow is used to run the slides. Okay, whenever we are running the slides, so it will show us whatever we have prepared. What is our preparation? It will show us with the help of slide show. Okay, slide show is the topic here, slide is the topic here, and presentation is the topic here. Now, what is the shortcut to run the slideshow? F5 key we use to run slide show. Whenever we are trying to use the slideshow, so we have to use a shortcut command for it, and it is known as F5. So this is all about the presentation that we are going to discuss here. Now, the next is here we are going to study about a new version of MS PowerPoint. Here we are going to study a new version of MS PowerPoint, and it is known as MS PowerPoint 16. What is it? MS PowerPoint 16. So maybe it must be having some new features. As we all know, whenever any upgrade version comes, when any upgrade telephone comes, any operating system comes, so it must have salient features, new features with it. Okay, that's why we are using. WhatsApp is also updating itself. So whenever it is updating itself, it is giving us new features. Okay, earlier we were able to do the video calls among 2 persons only, but now we have increased the limit also. Okay, many features are increased in the WhatsApp also. In the same way, whenever we update any application program, so we get new features. In the same way here, we had upgraded the application program MS PowerPoint, and it is MS PowerPoint 16. So it must have new features for it. Okay, so what are the advantages of the MS PowerPoint 16? So I am writing here or discussing at first with you all. The first one is, it is used to make the appearance of the presentation more attractive. Okay, whenever we are creating any kind of presentation, so it enhances the quality of it. Okay, it enhances the quality of it. Second is, here its salient features makes the presentation attractive, effective, engaging and professional. What is attractive? Attractive, we know, the one who catches our eyes, who makes us to see it for a while, so it is attractive. So we stares it continuously. Stare means देखना, लगातार देखना. Next is effective. It is also useful because it gives the things in a beautiful way. Third is engaging. Engaging means it makes us busy. What it is doing? It is making us busy to view the same. And last is professional. For the professional purpose, we are using it because we can use it for the professional, but not for the personal purpose. We are preparing the presentation for the professional purpose. And these features, these effects of MS PowerPoint 16 gives a greater impact to a presentation. Greater means a big impact means impression. What is impact? Impact means a impression on a presentation. So these are the few advantages of MS PowerPoint 16. So I am writing these all here. The first one is, it provides tools to enhance the appearance of a presentation. As I had discussed with you, it gives us some tools that increases the appearance of a presentation. Second is, its effects, whatever the effects it have, its effects makes the presentation more attractive. The first term is attractive, second is effective, the third one is engaging, and the fourth one is professional. What is the fourth attribute of it? The fourth attribute is known as professional. Okay, so its effects makes the presentation more attractive, effective, engaging, and as well as professional. Okay, the next term is, it gives a greater impact. Greater, here you can also write bigger. It gives a greater or bigger impact on the audience. These are the advantages of MS PowerPoint 16. I am writing here advantages. Otherwise, you all will get confused that what ma'am has done. Okay, advantages. Advantages are, it provides tools to enhance the appearance of a presentation. Our appearance of the presentation increases with the tools that is provided by it. Second is, its effects makes a presentation attractive, effective, engaging and professional. We can use it for professional purpose also. And the last one is, it gives a greater or bigger impact on a audience. Audience are the one who are the listeners. Like here you all are audience. Okay, so whenever we are seeing it, we are the audience. Okay, so these are the few advantages of MS PowerPoint 2016. Next terms that we are going to discuss here in this is applying animation effects. What are the features that it adds? Okay, features of MS PowerPoint 2016. 2016, sorry, 16. So I am writing features of PowerPoint 16. Means what new features it gives to us. Okay. So the first one is known as applying transition effects. What is the first one? Sorry, first one is what? Applying animation effects. Should I write fast? So maybe any spelling mistake can happen. Applying animation effects. Second one is known as applying transition effects. Okay. Third is adding audio as well as video. We can add audio as well as video, means we can add any sound effect, or you can say it sound. Okay. What is the next feature of it? Here we can use using action button. Here we can use action buttons. What is the next feature of it? We can import any data from Word. Import data from Word. Here in it we can import the data from the Word. The last one is share the file online. Share the presentation online. These are the 6 new features that we will study in this chapter. The first one is applying animation effect. Second one is known as applying transition effect. Third is adding audio, video, sound. Fourth one is using action button. Fifth one is import data from Word. And the last one is known as share the presentation online. Okay, so now one by one we will discuss. The first one is animation effect. So that term should be clear to us, that what is a animation effect. Okay, so the name of the topic is animation effects. Now, what is animation effect? Actually, animation effect is a term that means ability to move the objects like text, graphics, chart, logos, pictures, whatever be inside any presentation. So the ability to move these all is known as animation. Okay. So what is animation? It is the ability to move the objects like, what are the objects that we are moving here? Text, picture, shape, chart and logos. Okay, so what is animation effect? It is the ability to move the objects like text, picture, okay, any shape, any chart and any logo. Okay, now animation effects, if we are using, so what they are doing? Actually, they are making the audience to see the presentation and it should be quite interesting. Okay, which is interesting? The thing according to us, जो हमें अच्छा लगता है, the one that we thinks it is beautiful, it is having nice infrastructure, so we get impressed there. Okay, so what is this infrastructure of any house? So we get attracted there. In the same way, here these animation effects makes the presentation more attractive. How it is doing it? Suppose we have prepared any presentation. Normally all are also preparing any activity. So first page you keep so beautiful, so nicely you design it. Why? Because it is a first page. Whenever anyone sees it, so it will attract his or her eyes. Okay, first impression is the last impression. So in this way, here whenever anyone see our activity, so how we have prepared the first page. At first a person see the first page, so then after he will move to the next page. In the same way, whatever we have done, we should keep these all presented. Okay, how can we keep it presented? So this we can do with the help of animation effects. What it will do, it will, suppose I have prepared a presentation of 5 slides, so how they are entering, okay, one after other, how they are appearing to us, okay, and how they are getting in. कोई भी एक शो होता है, स्टेज शो होता है, so how the persons joins the stage, how they performs and how they exits. 3 things we have to focus on there, that how they are entering, what is the entering way, how they are coming on the stage. Then the second one is the performance, and the third one is how they are leaving the stage. These are the 3 effects. Same these are there. There are 4 types of animation effects that we can add on the slides. The first one is known as entrance. Entrance, its name indicates entrance. में जब हम कोई भी चीज शुरू होती है, so the effect is known as entrance effect. The first one is known as entrance effect. I am writing there. Animation effects, they are of 4 types. They are of 4 types. Now, what are these? The first one is known as entrance. The second one is known as emphasis. The third one is known as exit. And the fourth one is known as motion paths. Okay. Total there are 4 types of animation effects. The first one is known as entrance, the second one is known as emphasis, the third one is known as exit, and the fourth one is motion path. So at first discuss about the first animation effect. It is known as entrance effect. Okay, how the slides appears to the audience. So all the effects that we are adding to the entrance, so they are known as entrance effects. What are these entrance effects? Means why entering. Why entering? So the effects that are known as entrance effects. What are these? They are appear. The first is appear, means when we appears on the stage. So first is appear. Second is fade, means it comes blurred. Okay, fade, everyone know fade. Next is fly out, fly in. They are coming with the flying purpose. Okay, then it is float. Then it is split. So there are many. Okay, so these are the entrance effects. Next is emphasis. What is the second one? Second one is known as emphasis. What is emphasis? How they have performed on the screen. How they have shown the presentation in between. It is the emphasis effects. How can we show it? Actually, whenever any presentation we are showing, so suppose we have changed the color. We have changed the color. So it will attract our eyes. Suppose size we has increased. What we have done? We have increased the size. So these are the effects that we can add on the emphasis. Means here these effects we can add here in the mid. Emphasis means grow size, change color, and third one is spin. Spin means rotate. Okay, in 3 ways we can provide emphasis effects, and they are, the first one is grow in size, means we have increased the size. Suppose anything is normal and suddenly it increases its size, so it will look attractive to us. So it is grow in size. Change in color means the color of automatically changed, and the last one is spin. In the spin, what happens? It starts to rotate on the screen, so we will get attracted there. Now next is exit. As it is exit, so the effect that we are going to add whenever the presentation is going to finish, so it is known as exit effects. So exit effects, how can we add? They are the few types. The first one is disappear. Here the effect known as appear. Okay, I am differentiating this. I am erasing this. Okay. Whenever we are using entrance, so it will show appear. Whenever we are exiting, it will show us disappear. Because here the slide is entering, here the slide is going out. Next is here it will show us fly in, here it will show us fly out. Okay, next is here it will show floating. Here it will show float out. Okay, so in this way they are entrance effects and they are known as emphasis effect. Sorry, exit effects. Not emphasis, exit. In the emphasis we can do three things. We can change the color, we can change the size, and we can spin the object. The last one is known as exit, means leaving. Okay. The last is motion paths. What is motion path? Actually, if we are trying to change the direction of the objects like up, down, left and right, we are trying to move the objects in a star form, we are trying to move the objects in a circular form. So these kind of effects are known as motion paths. What are motion paths? Motion path means we are moving up, down, LR, left, right. We are moving the object in star form and we are moving the object in circle form, circular form there. Okay, here we can set the duration also, that up to which time the first slide will be on the stage, up to which duration second slide will be there on the stage. So these all we can set with the help of start and then duration. Duration is the time. Okay, so here these are the topics that we had studied today. They were: what is PowerPoint 16, what are the advantages of it, what are the new features of it that it's providing is, what is animation effect, what are the types of animation effects that makes it attractive. Okay, I hope you all will see the video, will watch the video and will understood this all. If any doubt comes, so everyone know what we will do, we'll discuss in our live class. Okay dear students, bye. Thank you.